Hi there, everybody. You're traveling with me, Jack, and of course, as always, with my beautiful heavenly wife, Pam, making a quick stop on the town square of Lawrenceburg, Tennessee. Historic Lawrenceburg, that is. And back behind me, well, right over there, yeah, that's called the Square 40 Restaurant. And I was told if you're in Lawrenceburg, stop in there for lunch. Oh my goodness. First of all, for the health conscious, yours included, this is a place you maybe only stop once a month. But if I lived here, it'd be tempting to stop more than that. Now we got a big truck coming by. Oh, no, it's a fire truck. So we'll let that noise get past us. There you see it. Anyway, back to the Square 40 restaurant. They have a lunch buffet. And boy, this thing is loaded. I tell you what, I went up to it. I couldn't believe what all they had to offer. I mean, they had like a sauerkraut and sausages. They had meatloaf. They had fried pork chops. They had these buffalo-style pieces of chicken. The vegetables, though, that's what I love. They had green beans. They had turnip greens that were seasoned absolutely perfect. 3 or 4 different kinds of potatoes. They had mashed, they had scalloped potatoes. I think they had sweet potatoes. They throw in a roll. A couple of other vegetables, includes dessert and a cold iced tea, all for the grand total of $12. You can't beat that, and you could go back as much as you want. No, I only went through the line one time. Temptation was great, but I didn't. But if you like down-home Southern cooking, I'm going to tell you, the Square 40 restaurant, pretty good bet. Check it out in downtown Lawrenceburg. Hey, keep subscribing. We certainly appreciate that. Also, check out the podcast, Love Letters to Pam. Until we see you next time, have a great day. Better yet, a better tomorrow. And bye now from downtown Lawrenceburg, Tennessee.